Hey guys, Silkok here and welcome to another Animal Jam video. Today I will be reading the newest Animal Jam updates that came out today. But sadly I have already read these updates because I made a whole 12-minute long video just like this one and then it ended up not getting saved. So that was really sad, but I hope you enjoy this video nevertheless. And I will hopefully try not to spoil anything early. First page says, The Other Stone. Breaking news from Belush. The large stone on the other side of the Temple of the Ancients has also begun to crumble. However, it doesn't appear to be another saber-tooth statue. Could it possibly be another extinct animal? If so, which one? I'm really excited for this because I love the saber-tooth. It turned out just beautifully. So whatever this is, I bet it will too. Pet saber-tooths. Pet saber-tooths have joined Jamaa's roster of petite pets. They make the perfect pint-sized partners for saber-tooths. So be sure to stock up on toothpaste and adopt these ancient pets today. Graham's Workshop. Nice. Spring has sprung and Graham has a few springs loose. He needs help gathering resources and materials to create incredible den items and accessories, and he lets jammers take home what they make. Be sure to check out this adventure in the party list. I did check this out, and hopefully I will be making a video about it soon. It seems like a pretty nice adventure, especially considering it's Graham, my second favorite alpha. Lisa's Frame. Is it Lisa or Liza? I don't even know. I think it's Lisa. Lisa, Jamaa's greatest explorer and its panda alpha, has designed a masterpiece frame. Frame your fantastic art with Lisa's Frame. This seems like a pretty cool frame. I like the little camera and compass. Storming the Fortress. Jamaa's adventures continue to bring new challenges and new rewards. Storming the Fortress is here with a new hard mode. Well, I haven't actually finished Storming the Fortress yet, so I'll have to do that in easy mode before I step up to hard mode. And then the last page, sadly, is Spring Cottage Pets. The new Adopt a Pet Spring Cottage collectibles have 96 brand new pets for you to collect. That's a lot of adorable pets. They can be found at Walmart, Target, and Hot Topic. Well, I actually already picked up 2 of these, and I believe one of them has a joy, and the other one, it might have been a snake. No, wait, it was a lemur. The other one was a lemur. And they are very cute, so if you happen to see these, be sure to pick some up. They're really nice. And let's go check out the other stone. Well, the other stone. That's kind of a funny name for a stone. I guess I'm just going to have to call this stone the other stone. Hello, the other stone. Let me turn into a flying animal. There we go. So it looks like this stone kind of has a fluffy tail and then maybe a leg here, and then completely covers up its face. It looks like it probably is a carnivore. It has kind of a, I don't know if that's an ear or what. Maybe some, it looks like a spike maybe. Wait, are they coming out with dinosaurs? They come out with dinosaurs? That's gonna be weird. I can't really see what this is, and maybe it looks like some sort of dog type animal maybe? Yeah, it looks pretty cool, and I'm really excited to see what this might be. But let's get into the next page. Pet saber-tooths. I've already picked up one of these from my last broken video, so how about I just turn into my saber-tooth, which currently has that pet with it, and look at this adorable little guy with this spiked top hat, spiked wristbands, and spiked collar if you didn't see. There's a spiked collar in there. Let me go check him out here. He's absolutely adorable. Just look at this guy with his spiked collar, Toasty Titan. His name is Toasty Titan, and his favorite food is sliced bread. That's just perfect. Oh, and look at how, I never noticed that, but his green matches with this, and his pink matches with that. That's really cool. They did a great job on this. Thank you so much, Animal Jam, for making such an amazing pet. It's probably my favorite. And onto the next page, which is Graham's Workshop. So, as I told you, I have already checked this out in my last video, but it seems like it's a pretty cool adventure. You have to try to collect stuff, and then you can use that to buy some cool furniture items, like stone item, bamboo chairs, and so on. And I really think this is pretty cool. I'm hopefully gonna be going back to it because, as you can see, I have some process going on here. Silver, I think a little bit of gold, and it's pretty fun, but also a little bit hard, I have to say. It's a little hard. But the next page, which is Lisa's frame, and it's a pretty cool frame, but I have to say that the new alpha frames have been a little bit covering up. Like, let's just make a random weird masterpiece, and let's say I want to make it. No, that's not what I meant. Okay, see Lisa's frame, it kind of covers up the masterpiece a little bit, makes it a little smaller, and the compass isn't too good there, but overall I kind of like this. But I do have to say I like Peck's frame a little better, even though Peck's probably my least favorite alpha. I like the little bell and how it looks just like what she would have. And I'm pretty excited to see if they might come out with a Cosmo frame, because Cosmo is my favorite alpha, if you didn't know. Guys. No, I don't want to save that, that's for sure. Okay. Next up is Storming the Fortress in hard mode. I'm not gonna play that today because 1, I'm not up to that level yet, and 2, because it takes forever. So, as you can see, you can play it in hard, but I'm not up there yet. I'm still new to adventures, guys. No, I've been playing adventures all the time. I'm just not that big on them. I do like the Forgotten Desert a lot, but otherwise, I'm not that big on them. But let's get into the last page, which I just talked about, the Spring Cottage Pets. Be sure to pick these up, they're very cool, and I believe at Walmart they're only like $3. Target, I'm really not sure, and Hot Topic I absolutely have never been to, so I can't say about that one. But anyway guys, that's probably gonna have to wrap it up for today's video. I'm sorry I wasn't able to show you them with it being brand new for me, but I hope you liked the video nevertheless, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, and remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!